out here today. Big jet ski day.
All right. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you know, we just qualified for our channel to get monetized, so we excited about that. But today we're gonna go to the lake house, my little brother's lake house. If you guys missed that video, make sure you check it out. It's called My Little Brother Buys a Lake House. So the plan is we're gonna go to the marina, we're gonna dock the jet ski, leave the truck parked at the marina, and we're gonna ride the jet ski to his house. See if I can remember. I only been there one time, so me and Hacksaw are gonna navigate the jet ski all the way to find his house and his private dock, and then we're gonna do a little bit of grilling. We're gonna film some videos, and we're just gonna have a good day. So stay tuned, guys. At the same time, back. Yep, and pop it up. That's the gas tank right there. This probably don't need too much gas, but. So what do you think, Manny? How you feel about today? Think it's gonna be a good experience?
Definitely excited. Hell yeah.
All right, bro. We out.
Hell yeah, we out. We're gonna pack this thing full of stuff and we out of here.
We here at the parking lot of Wine and Spirits. Undisclosed location. We loading up some adult beverages for the guests. Not for me, for the guests. Blue champagne, okay. Jet ski ready. Big TRD ready. Everything filled up. Finally made it. We right here at the dock at Lake Zor. So we're gonna be planning the trip from my brother's house, which is towards that way. And we're here to see is a comfortable boat launch. Everybody's mellow, everybody's humble, everybody's very nice and welcoming. So you come here with the right attitude and everything should go smooth. Like I was telling you, right, Hacksaw, that when you get here, look, everything's smooth, just like I pictured it. Nobody's in a rush, nobody's fighting, there's plenty of space to prepare your launch. Gotta make sure we have everything. We always forget something. You gonna use this? No, I don't need that. Alright guys, as I could say, welcome back to the channel. A lot has been going on lately. My channel has finally been monetized, so I'm gonna try to be careful with the content to protect my image a little bit, but still make it fun for you guys to enjoy. Today we're gonna take the jet ski, like I said. We're gonna plan out to go out to my brother's lake house, which is down that way. It's about probably like 10 minutes from here. So we're gonna show you guys, you know, basically how to launch the jet ski properly. Release the hooks. These are retractable ones that I custom made. You know, they sell them on Amazon. These used to retract, but they always break. So you gotta do it this way. But it's convenient because it's not like the other straps, but you have them all over the place. This one. Track. Great, we made it to the water, so now we on our way. He lives around that way. We still gotta pass a few bridges. That's the
Right
third
there.
bridge.
Okay, it's unfinished.
So that's his dock right here. It's coming down right now. Look. We planned this trip.
Definitely out here.
We made it. We made it. I ain't have to call you nothing, huh? I remember. I had to strap it up.
We got a little piece of thing right there, right? Yeah.
Yeah, I got one.
It's right here.
Yeah, I brought the pads.
The other day I had to get underneath.
All right, guys. So we made it.
Metal straps.
Yeah.
So that's salió, so I had to get
We
underneath.
made it to Bro House.
Yeah.
How was the trip, right? It was nice and easy, the trip,
Yeah, it was.
Manny.
It was.
Got bro. So what's going on here, bro? What we
Chilling,
doing
bro.
today?
Just, I'm about to go drink.
Something on the grill. Got all our stuff. Look at guys. It's a beautiful place, man. Lake house life. Time here. I'm a guest at bro's house. He's on a project, working on a project, painting the lake house. It's looking good, bro.
Thank you, bro.
It's looking really good.
Working on
And I like the finish on the deck. Nice finish. Next spring's gonna be lit. How you feeling? You like the vibes out here, Manny?
Hell yeah.
Where we at,
definitely
Manny?
do, man.
We in the middle of nowhere.
In the middle of nowhere, middle of Millbury, whatever it is out here. This shit hot. I like it. This is a people town, and I'm that type of people. Mommy knows. We was
Yeah.
chilling. We was cruising. We dipped a little bit, but then
First, you guys know I like to eat. I've been doing, you know, a couple mukbangs on YouTube, so gotta get the grill started. Handy Manny's the chef today. Huh, Manny?
definitely.
What you got there?
I got some chicken right there. I got
Chicken.
got some pork chops right here.
And what is that right there?
This is some
Pernil,
fresh pork shoulder.
chopped up.
chopped
Okay.
up pieces. Como
Got
si
some
fuera
fresh
carne
bread.
frita.
You got bro here.
We got good
Clean the grill. Look, he's
Big ass. Wildin' that day. Big ass. Yo, that nigga had me wild. On that day.
yeah.
He was lit.
We gotta get him on here, right, bro?
¿Qué pasó?
Our dad gotta come on here.
Oh yeah, I told him. He said next spring.
Next spring. Oh man, he gotta do better than that. I'm gonna have to drag him over here next spring. Crazy. So dad, if you're watching this vlog, you have to come over here and enjoy a day with your son,
They ain't got no choice but to come with.
your son
Yeah,
Jonathan.
aquí también se pagan.
How's the meat, bro? You did a good job.
Did a good job.
Chef Manny, you did a
Definitely
good job,
did,
Manny.
nigga. Shit.
Welcome
Nigga,
home, see your
shit.
life, baby.
Like I said, my mechanic job I already had two.
Oh, you already had two?
Listen,
Comiste tú?
Fat boy.
I ate plenty.
Yeah, fat boy get it popping.
That's the last of the meat.
Fat boy get it popping.
Pork chops.
Now we drink.
Yeah.
Yeah, nigga, that's what we do.
That's what we do, baby.
Yeah.
Good vibes. I'm gonna give you guys a shot of the drone in a minute.
I'll beat down
Charging
that
my iPhone. Charging the phone so I can give you guys a shot of the drone. Where we're gonna be at.
11 o'clock.
Taking the party downstairs.
Dale.
We're taking the party downstairs where the jet skis at now. Come on, bro. Let's go. on, don't be shy. Come on, camera guy. Come on.
This for the party right here.
Que masilla.
Guys, we in Lake Zor. We getting lit in Bro house. How old are you now, bro?
24. Just turned 24.
24 years old. Dedication. And bro, no, you know, because I tell a lot of guys that my channel, I don't allow no capping on my channel. No cap. Like, I'm a struggling entrepreneur, and I always told you guys from the beginning, I don't allow nobody to cap on my channel. Bro, how you know, how you put it to your mind that you was gonna get this place? Like, was it easy? Was it just having an 8 to 5 or a 9 to 5 and just settling down for less? Did you pick up any extra hours? Did you pick up any extra hustles?
I was doing 100 hours a week, you know.
100 hours a week.
100
24 years old. Well, he was 23 years old.
I had to sacrifice my weekends, you know.
Exactly. And that's exactly what I be saying.
Yeah.
That sometimes it's not everything. It's not a perfect picture. In order to get to another level, you have to sacrifice. You have to dedication, waking up, picking up extra hours, and just.
Getting fun.
No.
Give me some bread, right?
No.
Pedal, Manny. You can pedal, Manny?
Hey, watch it. Watch it. I got you on camera. Watch it trying to bite me. Come here. Yeah, you doing the same thing. I'm out.
Nah, he's cool. That's my...
Guys, we right here, chilling. Huh, bro?
Yeah, chilling, bro.
Chilling. It's a beautiful Sunday. What's today? September what?
September 18, I think.
September
19. I was close.
September 19th. This is what a day in September looks like on a Sunday in Connecticut. Look at this. Now, bro,
Good vibes only.
as I look, jet skis riding by. Bro, as I was telling my followers, my subscribers, you know, a lot of people, they go on YouTube and they cap a lot, you know, so I told them my channel is not based on capping or trying to be something that we're not. We're actually struggling entrepreneurs, struggling hardworking people. So tell the real viewers, you know, when you want something like this at a young age, like, what did you have to do?
A lot of discipline.
A lot of
you gotta
discipline.
discipline yourself. That's all it takes. it's not about motivation. It's all about being disciplined. If you discipline yourself every day, every morning, as soon as you wake up and you get started. But if you wake up every morning, you're just on your phone and just, you know, letting the whole day just go by, then you won't be able to get to where you want to be in life. Because in America, you could become anything you want. It's the only place in the world where you could hit any goal or, you know, any dream that you want to become. In America, you could become anything you want. You just got to put in the work. That's it. Put in the hard work and you can get there.
Wise
you got to
man.
be consistent.
Wise man. And how old are you again?
24.
24 years old. Okay, see, that's a man with wisdom when he speaks. And we got this guy right here trying to go wild on the jet ski. Hold on, man. We're going to help you out real quick so you can go wild. You ready to go in the water?
Definitely am. You know. Make sure I got these things on.
Got Manny wilding on the jet ski. You going wild, bro.
I think that's Dad right there.
How you like it? You going wild?
Yo, my nigga.
Hello, bendición.
¿Cómo coge?
Hacho, que si corre.
Estamos aquí.
Que si corre. Ay.
Perdón.
Ay.
Págalo.
¿Qué pasa, güey? Hey, what up, hey? What's good, eh?
Hello. I touch it from here. You touch it from here. Yep.
Yeah, how was your experience, bro?
Fantastic.
Fantastic?
Fantastic. Shit.
I seen you.
I hit 69. That's how fast I went.
You heard how his experience. Accent.
69, baby. 69. My favorite number, baby. My favorite number. Hey, yo, hey, ¿dónde está, yo? Lo único que falta eres tú. El
Yo.
único que falta que eres tú.
We lit out here.
El CEO. Life.
Here. Que hable.
What up, Bob?
Water's cold, huh?
You ready to go? Feels good, right?
No, Betito.
Petito.
Yeah.
GoPro.
Está bien. ¿Cómo lo
Papi,
sabes?
bendición.
Te quiero, viste, nega. ¿Cómo lo sabes? Ay, marica. muchacho. All right.
Take care.
Yo, dad, my nigga, he a good dude.
Got the life jacket. Manny's life jacket.
Manny, where's your life jacket, bro? I'm about to. I think I might just go with him. Here.
You're not driving it? Drive it.
Oh, drive it?
Yes.
Oh, okay. All right.
That's the whole point of us giving you this, my nigga.
I thought he wanted. Here, you record.
Take a swing out of that. Okay, little bro about to get in. How to take a swing out of this.
How was it, bro?
Yo, the water's good today.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Alright, so clip this on to your vest first.
Put this on, right?
To the, it should have right here, that loop on the bottom. I'll hold it.
Yeah, hold it.
See that loop right there? Hook it on.
Yo, that car.
Yeah, yo, he had me rolling on the phone. Nigga say, yo, si te cae el
Bro,
agua.
hop on it.
Y'all got it,
Go ahead, man.
Go ahead, I got it. Go ahead.
Yo, Manny, how was your experience, man?
Yo, fantastic.
I see you was blowing. You was blowing in the edges
Fantastic. Yeah, you see me, I almost hit that lady with the cayenne. Yo, she was like scared. I slowed down, I let it go. And then I stopped, then I went the other way.
too. Go ahead, bro.
Go ahead.
I'm about to hit you with the drone footage. Yo, Manny, you was wilding out, Manny. you was close to the edge, like you was zooming by, like, oh, like, yo. It looked like you was about to hit that bridge. You was like, nah, it looks like that though.
Yeah.
The angle's crazy.
Uh-huh.
I can't go all the way through though. All the way zoom in.
No.
It's like a limit.
Oh man, Big Manny.
I called raggedy, my nigga. That shit kicked me off like it was a horse.
Oh man, you fell. Hold up. You fell off?
Yo, it kicked me off like it was a horse. Trying to do that.
You fell off. Ah, look at you.
You kicked them off.
Yeah, he fell off. He wiped out. That's what happened. I told you. You gotta respect it, man.
Yeah, antes se cayó.
And I hit it hard. I don't fall off.
Man, I think it's dangerous.
Yeah.
For a big guy, he fell off? Nah, I can't believe he didn't fall off.
Yeah.
Hey, you a heavy set guy to be driving that.
Yo, bro, so when you fall off, like how was it? Like tell me your experience.
It was like getting kicked off a horse.
Getting kicked off a horse?
Yeah. Respect the machine. Respect the
machine.
RPMs.
Is that what you learned?
No. Respect the RPMs, man.
How many horsepower?
Listen, I don't know, but I know Bombi put it in sport, and I went sport. I went gone.
Gone, you were bye-bye?
Yeah, I went bye-bye. 300-pound plus. Threw me out here like I was a piece of twig.
Bro, what you doing, bro? Damn, bro, what you doing? The water's so good he couldn't resist. Look at him.
Nah.
Do it again. Show me what a real dive look like. Show him what a real dive look like. Let me see if you know how to dive still.
Take a lot out of me.
The water is nice though.
Woo.
Damn, bro, you fell off the ski for real? After I put it on sport mode? Dang.
It's too much for me.
This guy don't fell off the ski, guys. Look, he got total. I haven't even got wet yet. And I've been on the jet ski this whole time. Look, he drying his money right here and everything. Look. Respect the horsepower, baby.
Definitely do.
300 RXTX Sea-Doo. And that's stock. That's just stock, bro. Some people got them shits doing 90 with heavy mods. Hey, what's up? We just docked the jet ski. We about to head out. My boy Manny here behind the camera. This is up. That's Manny's work right there. Oh, Manny.
Had a bad day with this little monster.
What happened today?
I called Raggedy, but hey, I'm still out here. I still was whipping it.
Look, you gotta make sure the zip ties on good.
Mm-hmm.
See that? That's on good. This one's on good. That's what these good about these retractables, man. So usually you have to tie it up right here and right here. But I welded these straps on here. A screw. I drilled the hole through there and screwed. So those retract. So we out. Look at the scenery. Look, there's people still out here. Tell them, man.
Wallet.
Pontoons
Boat.
down here, families down here. Hey, yo, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, man. I see Mexico. Shout out to Mexico. #1 supporters, Mexico. Mexico, yo, I thank you guys for supporting my channel. Y'all the #1 country watching my channel. And second is, I don't know who's second right now, but third is United States, man. I gotta do better, US. I live in US. I pay taxes in US, so it should be #1.
Out here.
We out.